Jai Hind Defense Aspirants, I, Major Nasreen Fatima, Squadron Leader Retired, ex-NDA Instructor, Academic Head Centurion Defense Academy, welcome you to YouTube channel of Centurion Defense Academy. आज का जो वीडियो है, it is exclusively about RIMC, what makes RIMC so special. And this video is for those students who aspire to join Rashtriya Indian Military College RIMC, for the parents who want their children to be part of RIMC. तो मैं बताना चाहूँगी कि what makes RIMC so special. RIMC की बात करूँ तो RIMC result Indian nationalist के long time pending demand का to Indianize the British Army. And RIMC was established in the year 1922. RIMC एक grade A military school है. And it is administered by Ministry of Government. It is the feeder institute for National Defense Academy, for Indian Military Academy, for Air Force Academy, for Indian Naval Academy, and the other military academies in India. तो मैं बताना चाहूँगी कि second important aspect about RIMC, जो कि है apart from the academic studies, the emphasis is given on the sports, on the games, and on the other extra co-curricular activities which help the students to develop a personality, develop an overall good personality, and which makes them stand out when compared to other students. अब मैं बताना चाहूँगी regarding the infrastructure at RIMC, and let me tell you, it has the best of infrastructure. Ample facilities are there for the academic studies, for the co-curricular activities, including the sports and the games. RIMC endeavors to instill in individuals, to instill in students the spirit of healthy competition, the spirit of decor, the team spirit, the leadership quality, and the best of communication skills. RIMC endeavors to make students mentally and physically agile. क्योंकि students जब RIMC join करते हैं class 8 में, उनकी age होती है 11.5 years to 13 years, and this is the right age जब students अपना basic intelligence और बढ़ा सकते हैं, अपना practical intelligence बढ़ा सकते हैं, and which results in making them more intelligent, and they also imbibe the right values at the right age. So another important aspect about RIMC that it gives exposure to the students. The students, they get exposure, they imbibe, they inculcate the hobbies and the interests, which makes them more self-disciplined, which makes them positive towards life. RIMC के बारे में आगे बताना चाहूँगी, जो students हैं, they not only prepare for the examination of Indian Armed Forces, but they also prepare for the competitive examination too. RIMC का ऐसा शेड्यूल होता है, ऐसा करिकुलम RIMC में फॉलो किया जाता है, जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स को टाइम दिया जाता है, जो सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, to prepare for the examination. And let me tell you, it is not only the Indian Armed Forces, but these students, they excel and make it big in the other fields as well, whether it is the other government services or whether it is the corporate. RIMC के जो बच्चे हैं, वो पहले ही अटेम्प्ट में, ज़्यादातर जो बच्चे हैं पहले ही अटेम्प्ट में इंडियन आर्म्ड फोर्सेस का एग्जामिनेशन क्लियर करते हैं, as they carry the tag of RIMC, which makes them stand out when compared to the students from the other schools. Recently government ने एक बहुत ही बड़ा measure, एक बहुत ही बड़ा step लिया, वो ये कि government ने कुछ सारे schools को open कर दिया for the girls. And in future you can see the girls in National Defense Academy. So it is the best opportunity for the girls as well, joining the SAIC schools.
अगर आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास में सबसे पहले पहुंचे।
अब मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी रिगार्डिंग दी रिटन एग्जामिनेशन। तो RIMC का जो रिटन एग्जामिनेशन होता है, उसमें 3 इम्पॉर्टेंट पेपर्स होते हैं, जो 3 सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, उसमें से एग्जाम में आता है। पहला सब्जेक्ट है आपका इंग्लिश, दूसरा है मैथ्स, तीसरा है जीके। तो इंग्लिश आपका 125 मार्क्स का आता है, मैथ्स आपका 200 मार्क्स का आता है और जीके आपका 75 मार्क्स का आता है और वाइवा वो सी आपका 50% मार्क्स का आता है। सो इट इज़ वाइवा वो सी कम इंटरव्यू और इसमें आपका चेक होता है योर पर्सनैलिटी, योर नॉलेज लेवल, योर कॉन्फिडेंस, योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, योर जनरल अवेयरनेस। और इन सभी एग्जाम्स में whether it is the written examination or your viva voce, you have to get 50% of marks to clear the examination, and after the examination you go for the medicals, and after clearing the medicals you get selected for RAMC. So this is the syllabus for the entrance examination of RAMC. RAMC की eligibility criteria के बारे में बताना चाहूँगी। In the age criteria, it starts from 11.5 years to 13 years. And it is only for the boys, and it is applicable for students who are studying or who have completed their class 7th, and as the admission is for class 8th. अब मैं आपको एक अपडेट देना चाहूँगी, and this update has been given by the Assistant Administrative and Training Officer. उन्होंने ये अपडेट जो है RAMC के वेबसाइट पे दिया है। उन्होंने बताया है कि जो एडमिशन फॉर्म्स का सबमिशन डेट है वो एक्सटेंड हो गया है बिकॉज ऑफ द कोरोना वायरस। सो यू नीड टू कीप अ चेक ऑन द वेबसाइट, एंड द वेबसाइट इज www.ramc.gov.in. Now I would like to tell you about Centurion Defence Academy. So we at Centurion Defence Academy achieved milestones for the various entrance examination of Indian Armed Forces, whether it is NDA, AFCAT, CDS, the Air Force X and Y, the MNS, and the list goes on. And we also provide courses for the Sainik School entrance examination, for RAMC entrance examination, for Russian Military School examination. So we have students who are now very much part of Sainik School, RMS and RMC across India. So this course is taught by the team of expert faculty members, जहाँ आपको पूरे सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताया जाएगा, जो तीनों सब्जेक्ट्स जो आपके एग्जाम में आएंगे, मैथ्स, इंग्लिश एंड जीके। You will be taught about the subject, you will be taught about the syllabus, you will be taught about the important segments, you will be taught about the various questions, how to attempt the questions, and the various important aspects pertaining to the examination. तो हमारी RAMC की, सैनिक स्कूल की, RMS की एक्सक्लूसिव क्लासेस होती हैं Centurion Defence Academy में। The admissions are open and you can contact us on the numbers flashed for further queries for joining Centurion Defence Academy, and you can download our mobile application. Jai Hind.
अगर आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास में सबसे पहले पहुंचे।